In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring tasks in Monday.com. This is a great feature that allows you to automate your workflow and ensure your tasks or boards are ready exactly when you need them. Once you're logged in, let's focus on setting up those recurring tasks. To get started with automating your boards to be created on a specific time frame, you'll want to head over to the Automate feature. Locate and click on the Automate button, a handy tool that brings efficiency to your workflow. You'll notice an option labeled Add Automation. Clicking on this will open up a new world of possibilities. You'll then see a section titled When This Happens. Click on it to proceed. A drop-down menu will appear, offering you the choice to select every time period. This is an essential option because it allows your tasks to recurringly appear on a schedule that best aligns with your workflow needs. After selecting the time period option, you gain the flexibility to specify precisely when you want these tasks to reoccur. Click on this setting next, and you'll be given options to determine the time frame or schedule you desire. For this tutorial, we'll choose every first of the month at 7 o'clock a.m. This means, at the beginning of each month, your tasks or boards will be at your fingertips, ready for you to jump right in. Now, let's move on to configuring what happens when that time arrives. Click on the Then space to define the outcome of your automation. For example, if your goal is to have a board duplicated with every recurrence, you would click on Duplicate Group. Following this, select Group to specify which group of tasks or boards should be duplicated within your automation plan. At this point, you will be prompted to choose which board you'd like to have duplicated. Make your selection based on what fits your specific requirements. Once everything is set and you've verified the details, go ahead and click on the Create Automation button. With this final step, you have successfully completed your setup. Now the board you selected will automatically be created on the first of every month. This recurring feature is ideal for ensuring your workflows remain consistent without having to manually create tasks each month. It saves you time and effort, allowing you to concentrate on the work at hand more effectively. That's a wrap for today's tutorial. You've just set up a recurring task that will undoubtedly enhance your efficiency on Monday.com. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to explore more of our videos for additional productivity tips and tricks.